Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan ra siya pi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Nginwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Ringkat lang bat ka pertai barok kawai. Ka Jilla Meghalaya ru kala rakhe ya ka sngi penne Maryang ne ka World Environment Day watla hagani ka kenti ka ba menta ka jingrakhe ka shulong malumala namar ka jingwan linshop jang ka klam jingpang COVID-19 hagani ka ri India bat kumjo ru hagani ka Jilla Meghalaya. Hagani ka jingrakhe ya ka sngi da ka ba shupenlong lingba ka video conferencing lai shibbenta lang ru da menteri rang ba jang ka Jilla Konrad Kongkal Sangma Menteri Ketenat Forest and Environment James PK Sangma nang tadi Menteri Ketenat Soil and Water Conservation Uba Hamlet Son Dotling kuntubru ya Chief Secretary jong Kejilla MS Rao nang tadi Nongmi Ikmat na ka JICA Company Kastura Matsumoto San Country Director jong ka IFAD Ulak Demirak Senior Environmentalist jong ka World Bank Piyush Dogra Lembar Director General ka Nectar Dr. Arun Sharma.
Today being World Environment Day, we have been planning to go for mass deforestation in different parts of the state. We plan to cover close to 700 hectares in the coming months. And here we are in Maranlum, Shillong area, where we have decided along with the Himalayan and the other local bodies and the leaders here to have a plantation of almost 33 hectares. This plantation will not be monocrop, but it will be a mixed, almost a forest which we are planning. So different species and varieties of trees will be planted, and the idea is to really grow these kind of small forests in different parts of the state. So therefore, this project is a 33-hectare project, and we are very hopeful that in the years to come, all this area behind us, which is barren, will be full of trees. So that's really what the project is. And we started off by planting the trees on an important day like World Environment Day, along with our Honorable Minister for Soil Conservation, Shri Hamlet Sundoling, and the other officials from Soil Conservation. So we need the cooperation of the people also, and I hope that people also join us in this movement to ensure that we can convert not just this area but other areas also into mass forest areas. Thank you.